Only problem with leaving this beautiful establishment is I've got crap here, I've got crap over there, not you. Good morning. Hopefully you enjoyed yesterday's vlog. It was very exciting. It was fun to make, but most importantly, we did not die. At some point in time on that boat ride yesterday, I sure as hell thought we were going to die. But today is another exciting day. We go from here to Tulum. The good news is this lady right here packed most of our crap. The second good news is we only have like 40 minutes to get to the bus station. I haven't packed at all. I hate packing fast. Alright, now we're in a search for a taxi. Should not be too difficult. Probably should cross the road maybe? What?
Taxi pulled over for us.
Is it not for them?
No, I just waved my hand and he said yes.
Okay.
See, Mom waved him down, huh?
Can you take us there?
Yes.
How much?
How much?
16, 60.
60?
60?
Let's say this.
Yep.
7.
The resort or apartment or wherever we're at. All right, just finished up with the tour of the resort, and it feels very much like Bali. We stayed in a resort style like this in a couple different places, like Ubud and then Canggu, and even like Uluwatu, which was, I don't know, it's pretty, we'll see. I mean, we saw the cenote and we saw the, you know, the 9 pools and the spa and the gym and all that, and everything looks pretty good for the most part, and excited to explore it a little bit more.
Initial thoughts are, like, I'm really happy with it. Like, it's weirdly quiet inside there. But initial thoughts are really good, and I'm really excited that we are going to be staying here. I'm excited to see the room. Let's say that.
Yeah, we haven't exactly seen the room yet, which is always kind of the kicker on how nice the place is gonna be. It looks like a, you know, it's like a 3-star type place, which is fine. We'll see, we'll see. We'll see if Tulum's a spot where you want to visit for an extended period of time. Maybe it is, maybe it isn't. I'm not quite sure if you can hear me or not, but we stopped literally on the side of the road in a hut that sells tacos, and it's really good. 6 tacos, 1 soda. I think it was like $6, so it's good. Bed. The living room.
Right.
I don't know about you, but the place that we stayed in Playa del Carmen kind of looks like a shithole compared to this place. Holy moly. Should we give you the grand tour? So this is a loft, so this is, you know, you get your kitchen, dining or lounge area, bedroom, closet, dining room, and then we go to the bathroom. I think it only has 1 bathroom, but the bathroom itself, I mean, it's got everything you might need. No bidet, but should we go upstairs?
Yep.
All right. Little hot tub.
No, is it? It's a pool. It's a miniature pool.
Look at this thing. How is it, Chase?
Good? It's a miniature pool.
Miniature pool, huh?
Yeah.
Yep. Feels pretty good. Get a nice view of the restaurant and the rest of the town, which is around here, which is cool. It see the ocean over there. Maybe some over there, not sure. So we got a couple lounge chairs, and then over here is like a patio. Not too bad. Not sure why we're leaving doors open. It looks pretty good. Caitlin, what is your thoughts?
I think it's gonna be perfect. It's perfect for what we need. I mean, there's a lot more space than the last place for sure.